Hi everyone, you guys want to learn how to repair an LG phone? First thing you do is you do that, then make sure the screen comes off and everything. Take this and bend it a little bit, crimp it around. Then you throw it on the ground and you kick it some more. And then you take your other piece, you do this. Then you take your main case and you do something like this. Then you try putting it back together. Then you put that piece back on. Put that other piece back on. Then you take your other piece and you put that back on. There you go, you guys. You repaired a phone. This is a dumb way to actually fix a phone.